Jordan, Saudi, UAE.
With all due respect, Qatar is not an ally because America doesn't have allies. Qatar is a subject nation. Qatar understands that if they piss off the United States, excuse my language, we terminate their existence. I mean, this is the reality of how the entire Middle East relates to us. That anybody who's our ally isn't our ally because we will betray them, and we have betrayed them. But they don't have the ability to walk away from this. They are so deeply embedded in the United States, financially, security-wise. Qatar is not an ally. As an ally, we wouldn't do this to an ally. Just like Germany isn't an ally, because allies don't blow up pipelines of their strategic partners. The United States is an ally to nobody, and this should be the lesson the world needs to gather from this. When you deal with the United States only uses you as a tool. We're not the friend of anybody.